2026 Volvo XC90 arrives with a bold new vision for luxury SUVs, blending Scandinavian minimalism with cutting-edge technology. At first glance, the exterior feels both familiar and fresh. The signature Thor's Hammer LED headlights are slimmer now, more aggressive, while the grille is reshaped for a cleaner aerodynamic profile. A redesigned bumper, flush door handles, and new alloy wheel designs all contribute to a more refined yet commanding stance. Step inside, and the interior feels like a calming retreat. Volvo has doubled down on sustainable luxury, using eco-friendly materials like wool-blend upholstery and responsibly sourced wood inlays. The cabin is whisper quiet, thanks to advanced soundproofing and laminated glass, allowing you to hear only what you want. Your favorite playlist or complete silence. At AT the heart of the dash is a 14.5-inch vertical touchscreen running the latest Android automotive OS. Now with faster processing, deeper Google Assistant integration, and even support for Apple Maps via Apple CarPlay. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, offering real-time navigation, driver assist visuals, and trip info, all in a layout that's clean and easy to read. Under the hood, the XC90 offers two electrified options, a refined mild hybrid and the T8 Recharge plug-in hybrid. The latter now delivers up to 50 miles of all-electric range, enough for most daily commutes. It's powered by a combination of a turbocharged engine and a high-output rear electric motor, giving it a total output of over 450 horsepower. Yet it remains incredibly quiet and smooth. Safety remains a Volvo hallmark. The 2026 XC90 introduces next-gen pilot assist, with more natural lane centering and better traffic jam support. There's also a new interior radar system that detects if a child or pet is left behind, and the car can alert your phone or even the authorities automatically. The XC90's third row is adult-friendly now, with better legroom and easier access. Even with all seats up, the cargo space is generous. Fold them down, and it becomes a near-flat loading bay for serious practicality. Rear air suspension ensures a cushy ride no matter the road condition or load. Driving it feels effortless. The steering is light but precise, the regenerative braking is smooth, and every control feels just right. The 2026 XC90 is not trying to be a sports SUV. It's trying to make every journey feel less stressful, more intentional, and more refined. It's a luxury SUV for people who value design, safety, and innovation, but don't need to shout about it. This is Volvo at its most confident, and the 2026 XC90 might just be its most complete SUV yet.